Good morning vlog. It is 8 in the morning. It's raining outside and I'm cold and I don't want to get out of bed, but I've written down a list of things that I've got to do just to get me going started. We need some energy this morning. Cute montage.
Just wanted to try these because the ADHD urge not to, far too strong. Basically they had a new flavor of my favorite snack and I had to try it. That's what it looks like. That's so good. Damn, I want to eat more. But I need to go home. I would rate it a 8.5 for sure.
I have pre-left this food here because I knew that I would be hungry later, or like potentially when I came back. So that's a life hack. If you have ADHD, like I basically made my breakfast this morning, but I just make extra. So that as soon as I need a snack, which is often this one already ready, and it's like real food, not just snack food. So I do not know if these will be good. I will have to let you know because cauliflower base. We will see. I literally thought this was gonna take me 10 minutes because the packet said 6 to 8 minutes. But oh my god. So good. 9 out of 10. Without a doubt. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful. I hope there were some ADHD things you learned along the way. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one.